What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Alive in My Coffin by Jumex. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll backflip kick you in the chops. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so let me give you some free stuff. Stick around to the end of the video, I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you beautiful guitar players, this has been a very highly requested song for a long time, so I'm glad I could finally get around to doing it for you guys. I would shout out every single person who's requested it, but it's been a lot of you guys, so big to every single one of you. I appreciate every single one of you guys on the channel that's requesting songs. I'm trying to get to all of them, so thanks again. You guys have been awesome. So as always, I will have the full tab that I made myself for the song in the description below, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump in the description. The tab will be there for you. This song is in 4 different segments that just, they repeat twice. It's the intro riff, which is what you saw at the beginning of this video. There's 2 chord progressions that it goes through, then kind of back into the intro riff a little bit differently, and then it starts all over again. So the beginning intro riff is going to be this version of a C sharp minor chord. You're going 0, 4, 2, 4, 0, 0. I'm using my ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, index finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, pinky finger on the 4th fret on the G string. From there, you're going to go to this version of a B. You're just going to want to bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, starting on the A string, and then leave your pinky on the 4th fret on the G string. Now for your picking, you're going to start with your A string, and you're picking A, D, G 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the 5th one, you pick A, D, G, and then your D again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pick that D again. So A, D, G, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you do that twice, so. Moving to your B chord, now the picking pattern here is going to be the same, except the first time you pick, you're picking A, D, B, because you got this barred, so your B will be on the 2nd fret there. So you're going A, D, B for the first time. For the next 4, it's the same. A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, D. And then it repeats. A, D, B for the first of the 5, and then A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, D. So all together slowly, you're starting here. Switch. First one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. First one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the first part of the song. The next part, you're going to be jumping into some chords, and they are going to be bar chords, so this will be a good practice for you guys who don't have a whole lot of hand strength. You'll be able to get your hand strength up. So the first chord progression starts with just an E major. It's going to be 0 0 or 0 2 2 1 0 0. And if you need these chord diagrams, if you need to see them, the free ebook is in the description. As always, it's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's a free resource. I've been away in all the videos. It's going to have all of these major chord diagrams in there. So if you want to take a look at them, go jump into the video description again. Once you get done, pick up the ebook. But yeah, E major. And then F sharp minor, which is 2 4 4 2 2 2. A major, which is going to be 5 7 7 4 5 5, or 5 7 7 6 5 5. Sorry. And then B major, which is going to be 0 1 or 2 4 4 4. Once you get those chords down, all you're doing is you're single strumming through them. This chord progression goes twice, so you're going E, F sharp minor, A major, B, E major, F sharp minor, A major, B. That goes twice. Then you got your next chord progression starting with a C sharp minor this way. It's going to be 0 4 6 6 5 4. Then you're going to jump up to your E major chord up here. If this is too hard, you can go down here, but the one that they're playing in the song is up here. It's going to be 0 7 9 9 7 7. Then A major. And then B major. And these are all single strums as well. So C sharp minor, E major, A major, B major, C sharp minor, E major, A major, B major. Now at the end of those chords, they jump back into a version of the intro riff that plays through one time. It's not the exact same, it's going to be palm muted. Take that fleshy part of your hand right here, set it on the bridge of your guitar to give it that muted punchy sound. You're starting with that same C sharp minor chord that you pick through the intro, and you're picking it the same way. All palm muted. Then just take your pinky or take your ring finger off to where that A is open. Picking pattern stays the exact same. You just do it for half the amount of time that you just did the C sharp minor. And then you go back to that B chord again. So you add that index finger to where you're at 2 2 4 on the A, D, and G. And you're doing that same picking pattern for half the time. So all together. Switch. Switch. Start over. So again guys, just as a refresher, the guitar tab will be in the description below. I definitely recommend you jump into the description. It's easier for me, in my opinion, to look at the tab while it's being explained. Go pick that up. It's the intro riff, plays through a few times. Then you have the first chord progression that plays through twice. Second chord progression plays through twice. The At the end of the second progression, you play the palm muted picking pattern one time through, and then it restarts all that all over again. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.